Hi everyone! Kamusta po kayong lahat? Right now po, meron po akong ipe-prepare na isang dish na naman. But this time, magpe-prepare po ako ng steamed banana cake. Ito po siya. So, let's start this guys. Wag na nating patagalin pa. Come on, join me. So, right here, I have 4 pieces of banana, 2 pieces of egg, vanilla flavor, fresh milk, melted butter, all-purpose flour, baking soda and baking powder, brown sugar. First, we're going to smash the banana. Do like this. Banana is already smashed. Next, we will going to put egg. We will going to mix it. Vanilla flavor. Sugar. Milk. Then we will mix all together. Now come to the dry ingredients. We will going to put baking powder and baking soda. Mix it. After mixing, we will put the butter. Next is our wet ingredients. Here. Then we will mix it all together. Now this is ready. We will going to put in our molder pan. Here is the molder. Now we will put butter on this molder. Next is we will going to put our banana mixture here. Now this is ready to steam for 45 minutes. Now this is already hot. Now banana is here. Banana cake is cooked already. एक खाओ और बताओ शायद
क्या साई बड़ा स्वाद दी है